But it go affect everybody.
It go affect if you when it be saying now you they collect the gbem. If it not affect you now because the thing
on the long run, yes.
Until later, you go get point where you go reach because now small. It go touch you. By that time when you go want to, you go done late.
You don't go. You gonna be hiding beer. I know. I would have done it since then. But anyway, I don't know if he did that. We did the month of
March.
March, right? That's almost a year since Nedu does join us now.
Yeah.
If I did correct. So
happy anniversary.
Happy, I think around 1 year anniversary. Yeah, 1 year. Yeah.
And it's been
just now, and I heard the feeling yesterday.
It's been very fantastic. The first thing we got is the first one.
You don't try to check the data,
no. The first thing I remember that to first give you one correct luggage.
Oh yeah, I remember. Now you take travel, go London travel.
I first go to shares before I go London.
You've been so many places.
I better get taxi. I'll talk to only 2 places.
Yeah, how many places you want to go? How many not go?
You don't go in those states, come back.
Anyway, welcome back. My name is Arambi.
My name is Abeku.
Anyway, we get the one and only Nedu in the building right now.
So that you remember that Malaysia jets where they talk to the no see that
they disappear for
disappear.
Where are they? They don't see her.
They never see her. But they say after they don't do some research, and they can't find out say the pilots intentionally hijack the change the route and crash the jet.
Jesus. Now you see that Malaysia Airlines.
Yeah.
Now he gets plenty. He get one video where I see later. They say he gets one product, one medical something when they need patent for it to go through.
I've seen it too.
You don't see that thing.
It was inside that jet.
The people will
inside the jet.
Patented this thing. They are now 4, but 3 days inside that jet.
Inside one not day.
So the one way not day, they part of the planning of
the
offing those things.
So they said.
So immediately the plane just disappear. Whether in not reach how many days
that won't come out. They say the experts claim, say the evidence shows, say the captain deliberately crashed in a shocking mass murder suicide.
Yes.
So they say the plane's flight plan shows an extra 3,000 kg of fuel where they been done hard to that plane.
So there was enough fuel.
There was more than enough jet fuel, along with extra unrequired oxygen. Where they already supplied to the cockpit for inside the plane. So speaking to the Sun, not be Sun newspaper Nigeria, they are abroad. So the Boeing 77 pilot Simon Addy said these new details fit act as a proof that Captain Zahari Ahmad Shah said he planned the disappearance of that particular plane by itself. He go and say it is an incredible coincidence that just before the aircraft disappears forever, one of the last things that was done, as the engineer says, is noting no oxygen added. Then someone else gets on board and says it's a bit. It's not talk the whole thing, but what they try to let us know, it be like saying that the captain himself won, do mass murder.
Is this something one I need to understand? If you don't know, you don't know. You get plenty things where you don't know. You get plenty things where you think say
it just happen naturally.
It not happen naturally.
Never.
Plenty things don't happen naturally. Now see the question. See somebody they talk something. Mike Tyson fight and Paul Logan fight where won't happen. It's a distraction. Now distraction from most of the things where they happen sometimes. Now distraction of plenty things where they happen.
Just to drive your attention.
Just to drive attention. May I tell you the one where shock me. Even me, I don't know this one. As I post up my WhatsApp status, my friend will join the I know I'm mentioning him never because they go The guy them saying they do this has been going on. They do now companies where they I take talk. Is a companies where I go play the thing. Is a companies that are they already started testing 3 years ago. It's not only McDonald's. A lot of Fortune 500 companies don't they do it. You get companies where they Fortune 500. Now, waiting be the thing what I talk about. Make I play them. Me on here.
Corporation just had an ad come out a few months ago that they're looking into research and development and a technology that will afford them the ability to pump their commercials into your brain while you're sleeping. You think that they figured this out or some other company figured it out first? You think if they're going to have this...
So, they don't... right now.
To pump what
as
into my
add
brain.
fat to your brain when
Advert.
you dey sleep.
Hold on, they do more one. This has been going on. May I give you a proof? You don't ever sit down. The first one when they happen now, if you type for Google, say they look for something, if you go on social media, you see that they advertise that same thing.
Yes.
Facebook for everywhere.
Now, you get where you go, you see that you not type, you just get discussion. Me and Becca, you get discussion. Becca, I want buy that boss. So the moment Becca or me pick up my phone,
Now that box is
will come.
Yeah.
So you get some time, say you just say, I want buy for your head though. Inside your head, I go buy machine. I go buy this. Guess what? If you pick up your phone,
You go begin say.
you go begin see am. My wife wanted to tell me, but I know he asked me, did I say we want to buy fridge because we get commercial? She just come sit down, come to say, she just open for it. She said, look at fridge I'm seeing online. No, because did I say it? I said no, he did not say it. He said that was what I was just thinking just now before I pick up my phone. I don't know how they do which electric wave that they use, the neuroness that they use, but it's already working.
So they say as you dey sleep, then go dey throw the advert inside your head.
Yeah.
Huh.
The knacker inside your head.
How? Yo, brah. I don't know. I don't.
But guess what? Just as your friend talk, it don't start since.
It don't start since 3 years ago.
So I
So go Google the Fortune 500 companies.
They already spend money.
Then don't they do them already?
Wow.
Now when you wake up, I want to chop this food. I want to chop this.
Yes.
This,
Something where you don't know gonna begin to hungry you.
Wahala.
Yeah.
So the people wey masquerade they pursue for their dream now.
Maybe now mostly people wey dey there now. Now they happen.
If you never reach here.
Now make I tell you, and the thing say then they sell information.
Oh.
Then they sell
Heavily.
information. Now, you got my friend we talk something. It's one of the companies where they sell information pass. Now, apart from Facebook, all those ones now known one. The one we at the time, most of the one people don't know. Now, we know they use them here. Now there, then they use them pass outside Nigeria. Now, these companies where they use
Where they do fingerprint and this.
Bell, when you say person go look for you, you come house. Hello, who's there? You go there where you dey. And I feel there where I dey now. See who's in front of my door.
Yeah, your
now
tab.
then they check those companies where get those get those alarms, these things.
Yeah.
Then they catch the information of everything where you they buy, things where you they constantly they buy.
Oh.
Then go they sell the info to the companies so that those ones then go they narrow the advert they are who they advertise
on so that you can increase their
So that you
sales.
So the moment you
Increase
download
your
some apps too.
May I tell you?
They do the same thing.
May I tell you something as an agenda? So I did watch CNN, I think 2 weeks ago. Now I see I think the GMD or the CMD was about the position of Kellogg's for Bodo. We are based on our statistics, our new finding. We have finally realized that you can eat cereal for dinner.
You chop with cereal for
Hold
dinner.
on. So they don't know to say breakfast don't fit push enough of their say.
So now dinner.
They want push that say cereal, turn that to
because they know say dinner, plenty people go there to take dinner. How many people they take breakfast?
Yeah.
Yes. Guess what? They bring statistics. 90% they're going to go by. It is cheaper. It is less than the normal average food. So when they come my man and say, you come house now, my man will bring conflicts now.
Achecha.
He go say,
Kiri we achecha now. Nah, yeah, na getting them, man.
but they are already pumping money into this promotion, and guess what? Before you know, 10 years from now, that thing go sick it.
Why you
children go to eat breakfast, cereal as breakfast, cereal.
But who tell you say children know they chop am for night already? Because I know somebody wey be say our kids they wake up every middle of the night to
chop
eat
cereal.
Yeah.
Man, tell you something.
I know how that cereal are produced.
Now, man, tell you something. You see, people where they control this world. Yeah, like then why sometimes if I see people they show off for social media, you are just a
They just they allow you.
I know apart from saying you be mumu on your own. I'm no disrespect though. You will buy small motor. Everybody must hear. Oh, I just bought a this one. You put them, make everybody see you. Baba, you not get
Motivation.
You know, say you can't dirty motivation. Is that the time you say I tap into my brother? Can you tap to become a pilot? No.
Power tapper.
No, person become pilot. Go tap the anointing not to become pilot. To become pilot. See what you don't understand. Be say people will really get this. For example, you know, say people they pay make their name enter Forbes list.
Normally now, yes now.
And they get some people where they not born your father where to put their name for Forbes. Now then go call you say you dey Chris. Put my name for Forbes. You dey mad.
What you want is on.
But if Now them people, the people will get the money. Papa person will not get money. Thank God they don't buy motor control off for social media. Saying buy motor.
No.
Oh, they don't buy motor control. Saying buy motor. You don't buy any house control. I just copy a new whip.
More keys.
So you see, most of the almost everything where they go on for this world is what is intentional to drive you. And guess what? These people are so evil and so bad and so futuristic. When you be say then get everything for everybody, as you day here so, which is what I tell everybody. The day where you start think say social media and be all and all, now that day you begin kill yourself. You, Becca, as you do like this, Becca, you enter social media. Social media now where people they go feed themselves for that thing with then the yearn inside. Social media, you feel like Becca, you feel like hair, you like bags, you like this one, you like that one. What do you good for people you good follow for Instagram most? Now those when they be say either they sell hairs or the bag vendor or girls where they like wear hair where you they like to see. Or girls where they wear carry bags where they like to see all those back up. So when you want feed yourself of that thing, you go social media.
And guess what? They go the algorithm go set
the algorithm go come they give you that thing.
If you feedback and follow too, they'll give her 8.
They'll give you 8.
Now, so if you go your explore page now,
hey, back, skincare. Now you go to see.
If not man to wear like girls, where they shake. Now
you go to see. Now guess what? If you like hair and you like bag, then go show you options of those things. Then they'll come to suggest to you, you feel like shoe too.
Yes.
You feel like clothes too.
Yes.
And you go to see all those things they put up before anything happen. Your wave, your spirit goes they go down. Your energy now wrong energy. When enough you buy them, now wrong energy you can't give us. R&B like moto, R&B like watches, R&B like this one. Now the people ain't going to follow for social media. You understand? Now economy, countries where come too bad when they say things not the two work well. Most of the people go they follow blogs where they talk about other people. Because most of those people they vex for you for social media. Now we say they vex for you. They feel see you for real life.
They don't go even come.
They not go follow contact
to you.
But you see, as R&B, they go look at R&B. What's the R&B things saying be? You see with motorway in they drive, the life where they want live now you they live.
Yeah.
They don't even know how to manage.
They don't even know how the guy they manage.
They don't know. So now 2 years you no collect salary.
Don't they buy the motor?
Okay, use loan take buy the motor. R&B use loan buy motor. No, so na loan take buy that motor.
You dey see am.
Everybody collect salary.
Okay, so he collect car loan. R&B. Oh, that reckless. Now car loan he take collect. But you don't pay finish.
I don't pay finish. Yeah. I go to reach salary. Say you receive.
So now me say you can't dey work for credit.
Well, guess what? Somebody be outside, they say they born.
You understand? Now another thing where you also need to understand, I say some of the people where you they look where you they look where you go they kill yourself. Yes. Where you visit. Some of them they go buy this car, they not get. Then they buy car, then they pay monthly.
They do.
They buy house, they pay monthly.
I just got a new whip, 25 million, 30 million, 40 million. Now 6 years. Small. They want to.
Some of them auto check, then they use they pay small.
Organic, you go talk about those two where they collect mortgage for house for abroad too. Where go the blunt kid like this?
My brother, that one is I just stayed 2 years in America. Now I have my house. No, it's mortgage.
Those ones
and guess what? You never see a countryman of that country do that. Now we when I come here because we want to like say we dey successful. We want to portray a picture to people and say everything good. Yeah. And the journey people they deceive more people to the wrong country. And you find that say the reality they're different. Totally. My friend wrong go where the waiting be that
Leicester.
He wrong go there goes to.
Be call him again.
Whatever. That football club now.
Leicester.
He run go Leicester. There they come. He say, "Hey, Rich, what kill me here? I never feel back car. I not even feel change my phone self." I say, "Use mortgage." Say he never did.
Never get credit.
He never get eligible for credit. Now he say, "He got it." He say, "It is things just easy like you." Say, "If you come here, if you work pass, don't balance, you go buy this thing." He dey regret right now, and guess what? He will planning to return back to the country after he sell it. Yes.
He sell boutique.
he said something.
More live like that.
Papa, you know how many people don't close business, sell house, sell land, sell motor, sell everything just to relocate. When they relocate, then they go see say it not be how they think. The grass is not green on the other side.
Individuals that side, please be telling us truth.
You know the truth be say. You know the truth be say. You wey dey for Nigeria and you dey collect small pa. Now just say economy or things not to without your small 5k, without your small 2k, you go still enjoy life, chop food where they okay.
Organic.
But no, but not true.
You know what I think now? When at that time where I just spend that UK, you know, say for Nigeria, if you wear fine clothes, you go say hello. Can I take you out for lunch? I don't see one air. That of low. So but for Nigeria, you go as you don't waka. You feel see what person like you're looking so pretty.
That's all. That's why they'll send you money.
But when I got there, there was no money.
You understand?
That's why even Becca landlord for there for 1 week. They measure water when landlord. Becca take the bath. Don't use more than this liter of water. Becca say I never bath now because they fear if I all time. You just see landlord don't knock. Say hello. You are using more than the one you're supposed to.
Can't problem.
I say no, come on, it's no idea on top bed though.
So everything. Person where they earn like £3,000 for that place monthly. You where they earn like 500k or less than 1 million or something. You might. I'm not saying you will. You might be living a better life than that person. That person go collect that £3,000. Rent go £1,200 or monthly
subscription data.
Because you must get internet for your house now. Internet, you go pay water, you go pay gas, you go pay this. But at the end of the day, what if they remain? If you not reach £500, £500. Where people they make mistake for Nigeria here, you say make us see go calculate £500, change that to naira. No, Naija you they spend them.
Not be here on that side.
Other side you they spend them.
So I think this now the children I say their system they work. And
yes, their system they work.
But guess what? If in as much as that might be the case, let's say if Nigeria decide to have a working system, guess what? Waiting that they face, and you go they face too.
Yes.
Because all this one when you know they pay tax, you they escape some certain tax.
And you know why Nigeria they quick complain? Because we they spoilt.
Yeah, they don't to spoil us.
We don't to spoil us.
We give away.
They don't use giveaway. Nigeria government don't use giveaway. Finish us where we small.
So we be entitled spoiled people.
You go Becca person fit come here now. Drive come our office now. He go see where park. Yeah. But for London, you go see person go say, Papa, I think say you don't come. Yeah, 30 minutes now. They find where to park. And they find free parking. And that free parking, if you be like for like 10 to 15 minutes, they'll come for it. So how far now? Papa, make I run go my motor. Make they not give me tickets.
You don't move.
But yeah, you go park for side of road. They call police. Your father. Nothing.
I also feel part of me feel say we are not.
Why you say they live there? Baba no vex. Why you say almost say you get some people they say almost every weekend, every time they call Nigeria come ball.
Yeah.
Baba the thing where
I don't say you want to talk about the center.
Hey, but I hold myself. I hold myself.
I catch you.
He don't. Keep quiet.
The Spirit of God is talking to you. Calm down.
I want give you Jesus one get waiting for West Ham.
You don't start
My brother.
So if only we can just make the country work to an extent, all of us go really enjoy that.
UK save the Nigeria where they work.
Yes,
UK and Nigeria when they work. Truly. What did you?
Before we go now, maybe take at least this one because if you continue, I know
don't finish show.
I know after 10:40 we go.
All right, many thanks to you for watching. I beg, may you try like and subscribe to this page so you go enjoy so many other fantastic content from Naija FM 102.7. Too much.